Welcome to TechTide. Here, we bring you the latest and greatest in tools and technology, showcasing the future of innovation right at your fingertips. Join us as we dive into expertly curated collections of groundbreaking tools designed to tackle every project imaginable, from cutting-edge gadgets to game-changing solutions. TechTide is your ultimate destination for inspiration and discovery. Let's explore the tools of tomorrow today. Makita Rechargeable Wall Scanner. The Makita DML814 Rechargeable Wall Scanner is an essential tool for anyone working on construction, renovation, or installation projects. It helps you quickly and accurately determine what's hidden inside walls, ensuring safe and efficient work. This advanced scanner can detect a variety of materials, including metals like copper, steel, and aluminum, as well as wood, plastic, and shielded cables. The results are displayed on a 4-inch color screen for easy interpretation. The device offers multiple operating modes tailored to different materials such as concrete, wood, drywall, and cinder blocks. With a detection depth of up to 18 centimeters, 7 inches, and an accuracy of 4.7 millimeters, 0.19 inches, this scanner provides reliable results. For added convenience, it features a built-in guide laser and lighting to ensure precision, even in dimly lit environments. The device is lightweight and compact, weighing only 1.4 kilograms, 3.1 pounds, making it easy to operate with one hand. A single charge provides up to 28 hours of continuous use. This innovative Japanese-made tool is priced at the $1,322. REEKON M1 Caliber Measuring Tool. The REEKON M1 Caliber Measuring Tool is a game-changing device designed to simplify and speed up cutting measurements. It works seamlessly with a variety of saws, including miter saws and vertical band saws, making angled cuts and setups effortless. REEKON claims that the M1 allows users to work up to 3 times faster, eliminating the need for traditional tape measures and pencils. The measurements are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen, and users can easily switch between metric and imperial units to suit their preferences. Powered by 2 AA batteries, the REEKON M1 offers an impressive 15 hours of runtime, even with constant backlight use. This combination of efficiency, accuracy, and convenience makes it an invaluable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. You can purchase the REEKON M1 Caliber Measuring Tool for $150. GANGMU Tech Belt Sander Adapter. Transform your angle grinder into a versatile belt sander with the GANGMU Tech Belt Sander Adapter, available for just $59. This innovative attachment is perfect for a wide range of tasks, including smoothing wood, removing rust from pipes, and other sanding applications. The adapter features a triangular design, which enhances its functionality and makes it suitable for hard-to-reach areas. It is compatible with belts that are 20 millimeters or 40 millimeters wide, providing flexibility for various projects. The kit comes complete with a set of belts in different grits: 60, 120, 240, 400, and 600, so you can start working immediately after setup. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this adapter is a cost-effective way to upgrade your tools and expand your capabilities. SKILSAW SPTA. The SKILSAW SPTA is a powerful and reliable addition to any woodworking toolkit, combining durability with exceptional performance. It features a worm drive system that delivers enhanced power and precision, making it ideal for demanding tasks. Equipped with a dual-field motor, this saw runs cooler, ensuring greater efficiency and an extended lifespan even during prolonged use. Its chain is self-lubricating, and the toolless tensioning system allows for quick adjustments, minimizing downtime. With a cutting depth of up to 36 centimeters in a single pass, this saw can handle large projects with ease. The bevel angle can be adjusted up to 60 degrees, offering versatility for various cutting needs. The lightweight magnesium alloy body keeps the saw's weight under 8 kilograms, making it easier to maneuver. Priced at $656, the SKILSAW SPT5511 provides a robust solution for professional and hobbyist woodworkers alike. Klauke ES20 RMC Remote Cutter. The Klauke ES20 RMC is a battery-powered hydraulic cutting tool tailored for cable specialists, offering precision and convenience in one compact design. Capable of cutting cables up to 20 millimeters in diameter, it handles aluminum and copper cables with ease. Designed for single-hand operation, the tool excels in confined or complex spaces, with the added convenience of a remote control. Cutting times vary between 2 and 8 seconds, ensuring quick and efficient operation. The tool, along with the battery, weighs only 2 kilograms, making it highly portable. Users can choose between Bosch and Makita batteries, with the Bosch model charging fully in just 15 minutes. An integrated iPress app collects operational data and generates reports in PDF format, which can be reviewed by users or shared with clients. Priced at $1,702. The Klauke ES20 RMC combines advanced features with practical functionality, making it an invaluable asset for cable cutting tasks. SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher. The SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher is a versatile and user-friendly tool, perfect for car owners looking to maintain their vehicle's appearance with ease. This machine simplifies cleaning and polishing tasks, making it suitable even for beginners. Equipped with interchangeable nozzles and base plates in diameters of 25, 50, and 80 millimeters, the SPTA enables you to handle both hard-to-reach areas and large surfaces effectively. With a speed of up to 4,500 revolutions per minute, it quickly removes dirt and applies polish, delivering professional results in minimal time. A fully charged battery powers the polisher for several hours, and a second battery included in the kit ensures uninterrupted work. The entire set is conveniently packed in a suitcase, complete with all necessary accessories, offering excellent value for just $140. Whether for regular maintenance or detailed car care, the SPTA Cordless Mini Polisher is a reliable and cost-effective solution. Wolfcraft Adjustable Electric Hole Saw. The Wolfcraft Adjustable Electric Hole Saw is a practical and versatile tool for anyone tackling home improvement or light construction projects. Priced at just $49, it delivers clean and precise cuts across a variety of materials, including oriented strand boards, drywall, and soft wood. With adjustable diameters of 35, 65, 68, 74, 76, and 83 millimeters, this hole saw is perfect for installing light fixtures, sockets, and switches. It weighs only 180 grams, making it lightweight and easy to handle, whether using a drill or a screwdriver. The included 2 hex keys simplify adjustments, ensuring a seamless workflow without unnecessary interruptions. Compact and space-saving, the Wolfcraft Adjustable Electric Hole Saw is highly regarded by buyers for its practicality and efficiency, making it an excellent addition to any toolbox. RIDGID K4310 FXP Drum Machine. Pipe cleaning just got easier with the RIDGID K4310 FXP Drum Machine, a high-performance tool designed for professionals. Priced at the $6,150. This advanced system offers powerful functionality to clean sewer, drain, and even ceramic pipes efficiently. The K4310 FXP features a feed and retrieval system capable of speeds up to 8.5 meters per minute. A built-in display shows the length of the cable currently inside the pipe, ensuring precision and control. Powered by a long-lasting battery, it operates for up to 2.5 hours on a single charge, providing ample time to tackle demanding tasks. This system also integrates seamlessly with the RIDGID R-Link app, enabling professionals to generate detailed job reports for customers, adding a layer of professionalism to every project. For experts in the trade, the K4310 FXP is a reliable investment for efficient and effective pipe cleaning. Hyde Tools Folding Painter's Tools. Designed with professional painters in mind, the Hyde Folding Painter's tools are crafted to address a variety of common tasks on the job. Whether you're opening cans, cleaning paint rollers, or removing old paint, this versatile tool is up to the challenge. The tool includes a blade that can tackle multiple tasks, while the upgraded version features an additional putty knife for more precise work. Both versions come equipped with a reliable locking mechanism that prevents accidental folding, ensuring safety and convenience during use. With a price range of $13 to $28, these tools are not just affordable, they're highly practical for professionals in the field. The manufacturer ships over 20 million tools to 15 countries each year, a testament to the tool's global popularity and dependability. TOLSEN Hand Riveter. TOLSEN, a major player in the global tool market, sells over 1 billion tools annually across more than 100 countries. Their range includes both electric and hand tools, with one standout being the TOLSEN Hand Riveter. Priced at just $10, this manual riveting tool offers impressive functionality for its cost. Despite its affordable price, the TOLSEN Hand Riveter is equipped with a 360-degree rotating head, providing added flexibility and ease of use. It's designed to work with both aluminum and steel rivets, making it versatile for a range of tasks. Roberts Floor Rollers. The Roberts floor rollers are designed to ease the strain of installing floor coverings, such as linoleum and vinyl. These rollers ensure perfect contact between the material, adhesive, and floor, facilitating a smooth installation. The range of Roberts floor rollers includes models weighing up to 45 kilograms, making them suitable for thick, dense linoleum installations. They help prevent warping, even in high-foot traffic areas. The manufacturer promises excellent balance, ensuring even adhesive application and easy maneuverability. Some models come with removable pivoting legs with wheels, making it easier to move the roller when working in multiple areas. The 34-kilogram model. The 34-kilogram model is priced at $285. Makita DML814. Lighting issues can often disrupt home repairs or large commercial projects, delaying schedules. To address this, the Japanese company Makita offers the DML814, a battery-powered light designed for versatility and convenience. This light operates for 3 to 10 hours, depending on the brightness settings, and weighs less than 8 kilograms, 17.6 pounds, making it portable and easy to transport. The height of the light is adjustable from 1.2 meters 3.9 feet to 2.2 meters 7.2 feet, allowing it to illuminate a larger area effectively. Its foldable design further enhances its mobility. The DML814 is also suitable for outdoor use, as it can be securely anchored to the ground with pegs. A smart memory system remembers the last brightness setting, enabling the light to be safely turned off and resumed with ease, such as during a lunch break. All these practical features are available for a cost of $454. Nemo Reciprocating Saw. Nemo Power Tools, an American company, has made a name for itself by producing the world's first and only cordless underwater tools. Initially developed for scientific and governmental use, the company has since expanded to offer products for everyday customers, including this innovative reciprocating saw, designed for underwater use at depths of up to 50 meters or 164 feet. This saw is a standout tool for underwater cutting tasks. It operates at speeds of up to 3,000 strokes per minute, with a keyless blade clamp for easy blade changes even while submerged. However, users should note that continuous cutting is limited to 5-minute intervals. The saw weighs 2.9 kilograms, 6.4 pounds, and comes with a comprehensive kit that includes a carrying case, a pump, 2 blades, 2 batteries, and a charger. The charger is available with Type A, American, Type G, English, or Type Y, Australian plugs to suit different regions. This high-performance underwater tool is priced at $2,251. Milwaukee Fan Special G34. Imagine combining the precision of a Glock pistol with the iconic design of Milwaukee power tools. That's exactly what one skilled gunsmith accomplished with the Milwaukee Fan Special G34, living by the motto, "If you can explain what you want, we can bring it to life." This artisan specializes in Glock accessories and customizations. Inspired by a Milwaukee fan's passion for the legendary toolmaker, the gunsmith transformed a 9mm Glock 34 into a striking homage to the brand. The pistol's custom finish replicates Milwaukee's signature red and black aesthetic, turning it into a functional piece of art that celebrates American craftsmanship. As a bonus, the gunsmith also created a quirky yet practical accessory, a battery-powered revolver screwdriver. Priced at just $20, it includes 6 bits and features a 600 mAh battery, blending utility with a touch of humor. This unique project highlights the creativity and dedication of artisans who blend functionality with personalization, crafting one-of-a-kind items for enthusiasts.